Welcome once again. This is the voice of DJ Joe on Tips in the Business. Yes, I recently did a video on how to intro video on Craft DJ Pro. Well, today I will be doing and showcasing another episode on more techniques in Cross DJ. Well, if you can hear, I am on there. I hope you guys learned from the last class, right? Well, right about now, I'm just gonna take out the bass line. If you guys know what is the bass line I'm talking about, I'm gonna take out the low out of this tune. I'm gonna play back the tune from start. This is called a cue, and I will show you how to cue. If you want to see where this song is cue from, you click up here. I'm gonna see where this song is cue. If you can see, you see the song cue from the front out there. If you can see the one up there, I'm talking about right there. I'm right at the line. Right at the line. Yeah. You see it? That is called a cue. This is called a loop. That is a loop. That is a loop. You count it even faster and faster, then slows, original. Then you go. It stops at 32, so you cannot go any further. And that is just a loop. If you want to delete a cue, you click on the X right there, and click on number 1, or the number which the cue is on. So I'm going to take out the bass, which I was talking about. The bass is called a low. You're going to click right here where you see the tracks. If you can see, there are the title on each button. This is the bass. If you realize you're not in any bass, because the bass have been taken out. If you do a double tap, it goes directly back into the center, or the original set of the bass line. If I try it down again, no bass. Then I'm gonna do a double tap. If I buck it, it's bare bass. Then I'm gonna do a double tap, bring it back into the middle. This is called a volume. If you double tap, you bring it back to the top. Then you go down again, double tap, straight back to the top. This is called a mid. The mid is what balances both bass and Twitter. The Twitter is called high. The bass is called low in Jamaica. So if I drop this, you're only hearing Twitter and you're only hearing bass. Or you're only hearing high and you're hearing low. You're not hearing any mid, which means you ain't gonna hear the tune so clear. So if I do a double tap, everything is balanced again. So I'm gonna take off the I, also known as the Twitter. If you're realizing you're only hearing mid and you're also hearing low, which is bass and mid, quality ain't so clear. So I'm just gonna do a double tap, and then the Twitter give you this sound. The Twitter give you this sound. That is the sound of the Twitter. So I'm just gonna try it on everything and show you a easy way. That is the sound of the Twitter. I'm just gonna back it. If you're realizing you're hearing the Twitter, you're hearing the Twitter. Just mid. And that is the balance of the equalization. So I'm just gonna go into effects, also known as effects. we Jamaican people call samplers effects as well. But I'm talking about the audio effects. I'm talking about the phraser. I'm talking about the flanger and more. That is effects. Right now it's on Bifilter. Bifilter is a low, high, bass and more. If you draw it, you're hearing the sound. If I lock it, it is locked. Cannot move. But if it's not locked, I have to hold on it to play it. It comprises of more than about 10 or so different flanges, different effects. And this, I hope you guys are enjoying this, right? Yeah, and this is Jet. That's sweet, right? This is Crush. Okay, let's do that. That is effects. This now, the part that you guys wanted me to go on. I'm right there. Just gonna go pull up this. I'm just gonna do a scratch. You click right here. This is called a bend. The bend. If you can see, you see a negative and you see a positive. The plus is positive. The minus is negative. If I click on the negative over here, it goes faster. If I click on the positive, it goes faster. So what is going on? The negative makes the song go slow, sir. The positive makes the songs go faster. The negative makes the song go warmer. Na. That is how the music is. But I'm gonna go click on scratch. Scratch. And it's scratch. I'm just scratching. I'm just scratching. I'm scratching. That is scratch. But okay, that's fun, right? That's fun. This is tempo. Okay. That's really calm. Do you see a difference in Cross DJ? Do you realize you're listening to something different right now? So people, when you're remixing music or mixing music, you want to make sure everything is alright. You want to make sure that the songs are balanced. You want to make sure the song that you're playing is balanced, that it is not too fast and it's not too slow. It's playing based on how it should play to entertain the people or entertain the listeners or entertain you if you're the only one listening to. But that is only it for today's show. I'm not going to go any further right now. But join me next time. I'm sure you're going to be enjoying the other episode where I'm going to be showcasing SoundCloud. Yes, that one is going to be nice. So, this was a DJ Wajo himself checking it out in tips in the business and tips in tutorial. This was Cross DJ Pro. If you want to know more, you just click on it and go there. And then big up yourself there. Big up on yourself.